Hello, loves, Vesovina. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And to all my old subscribers, you all know I love you like ow. So, guys, guess what? Today we are making KELEWELE. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and let's go. Okay, guys, so for those who won't know what Kelewele is a spicy ripe plantain dish or street food which is enjoyed by everyone. Okay, guys, so for this recipe you will need your ripe plantain, you will need some onion, dried pepper or fresh pepper, cloves. You will also need some ginger and some grains of selim. Okay, guys, and this is what I would do, so anyhow you would do yours is also acceptable. Okay, guys. And yes, guys, as we all know, kelewele or plantain goes perfectly well with groundnut or peanut, so I'll begin off by roasting mine. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so moving straight forward, I'm going to add in just a little bit of salt to this, and I'm going to blend my grain of salim, my pepper, ginger and cloves. Okay, guys, but then along the line I noticed that the spices were super hard, so I had to transfer this into my metallic asanka. Okay, guys, yes, so using this made it super easier, and I was able to grind this to what I wanted. Okay, guys, so yeah, if you have asanka, do use it. Okay, guys, yes, guys. So moving straight forward, guys. And yes, guys, now to the main ingredient. You want to always wash your plantains first before you start with it, okay, just so you don't transfer bacteria from the skin of the plantain to the plantain itself. Okay, guys, so you want to split the skin open to get access to the plantain. All right, guys, so yeah, keep watching. All right. Okay, guys, so after cutting this to your preferred shape, you want to transfer this into your asanka or your earthen pot, and you want to massage every one of these plantains with the marinade, okay, or the pepper spice. Okay, yes, so you can just put on gloves like I have done, or you can just use your hands. Okay, just remember to wash your hand properly afterwards so you don't get the peppers in your eyes. Okay, guys, yes, so guys, keep watching. All right. Okay, guys, so please take note, I'm not really massaging this super hard, so don't be pressing your plantain. Okay, I'm just rubbing this in. All right, guys, so yeah. Alright, guys, and not forgetting that we started off with our peanut, so now I'm peeling off the skin. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Alright, guys, so from this to that. Alright, guys, just like that. Alright, yes, so I'm done with the peanuts now, so we are going to go ahead and fry our kelewele. Alright, so you put in some oil. Okay, guys, so to test if the oil is hot, I'll just then put in my chopstick, and then it's bubbling up, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some plantains. Okay, guys, and guys, a quick tip, you don't want to fry this on a very low heat, and you don't also want to fry this on a very high heat, because if you fry this on a low heat, the plantains are going to soak up the oil, and if you fry this on a very high heat, it's going to burn, and then it's not going to cook in the middle. All right, guys, so you want to cook this in between, or you have to keep watch of it and keep stirring as time goes on. All right, guys, and one more tip, you don't want to overload your frying or your oil with too much plantains. All right, or it's going to take super long for it to fry. All right, guys, yes, so keep watching, guys. And hey there, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to also turn on your post notification bell as well, guys. All right, Yes guys, thank you so much. All right guys, so as at this point, some people will prefer theirs this way. Okay, they like this in the golden brown way. I prefer mine on a darker side, so I'll go ahead and fry this more. But if this is where your destination is, go ahead and fetch yours up now. All right guys, but just as I said, I prefer my dark, so I'm going to go ahead and fry this more. All right guys. And yes guys, your kelewele is done now. You want to fetch this up and put it on some paper towel, or you can just go ahead and put it in your sieve so you can drain the excess oil. But guys, this was not as spicy as I wanted it, but it was good guys. It was so good. So if you really did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay guys, and don't forget to follow me on my social media handle at Abby_Bays on Instagram. Okay guys, don't forget to try this recipe. All right guys. And yes guys, this is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this, and until we meet next time, don't forget to stay safe and don't forget to mask up. And until we meet again, the name is AVIJAIL and I'm out. Peace.